and today we're gonna do a cleaning of headlights and all the plastic lighting on a car. As you can see, there's that cloudy coating right there. And this one I just cleaned and it's all shiny. Look at that. See right through it? Yeah, this should actually work. So how you do it, you're gonna take this bottle and you're gonna squeeze a little on there. And you're gonna take it on a clean spot. And you're just gonna scrub the hell out of it. Look how clean that shit is. Now this wasn't too dirty of a headlight in general to clean, but I'll show you another example of my 99 Blazer. And those things are dirty as hell. Really scrub it. Because you gotta work the micro orb sands into the headlight with the gel. This is a CRV, so these aren't too old of headlights, but yeah. And look how shiny those are now. Look how shiny those are now. Okay, so you wanna do your brake lights. Now these again aren't that dirty, but you can always make them look new. So you put a little on here. Just a little bit. You don't need a big block. Make sure it's got a clean spot. And just again, scrub the hell out of it. Look how shiny that is. It looks like a brand new car. Look at that. Look how that glisten on that. It looks like a brand new car head brake light. Amazing. Might as well do the other side. I haven't even put more on this towel. It's just as a little amount will do both of them. Look how shiny those are. Look brand new. Now let's do a better, harder job. Now as you can see on this Blazer, you can see that one's a little cloudy and that one's clear. I just did that one. Now I'm gonna do this one. So again, take your little rag, find a clean spot. Put some on. Now this one is a little dirtier, so you gotta put a little more on it. And again, just scrub the hell out of it. Oh yeah, it's starting to clear up. Look at that. So far. We'll add a little more because this one's been sitting for a while, so the car is a little old. Do some more scrubbing. Yeah, this is a 99 Chevy Blazer. It's been sitting for 2 years. And the headlights are filthy. Which that's okay, because we're gonna, when you see the difference when I'm done, you see how shiny these bitches are. And it's just a simple thing. You just get a micro orb cloth and a bottle of this Magellan Plastic X, and you'll be good to go. Alright, well, I got it pretty much, but look how clean that is. Yeah, you saw how bad that was before. Now look at it. Oh yeah. Show you how well this shit even works even more. Let's take a walk behind the truck. Let's even do the brake lights. Now as you can see, those are cloudy. Look how dirty that shit is. Watch this magical shit. So, put a little bit of that on. Watch this. Oh yeah, and always wash your hands after using this shit because it's got little sands in it. So you don't want to hurt, like, put it in your eye. Like I said, you gotta scrub pretty hard to get it all the way. Look at that reflector already. It's like already reflecting better. Now, if I wanted to do a thorough job, I'd take off the brake light itself, clean the inside too with this shit. But I'm not gonna waste my time on this truck. And look at that thing. It's already shiny. And that's all it is a rag and this shit. Well, thanks for watching another one of my videos, and I hope this is information that you could use. Again, subscribe, share, like, comment, whatever. Have a good one.